Hi, my name is Doug Mueller, and in this next video we're going to show you how easy it is to switch from the large animal side to the small animal side. Okay, so first I disconnected the breathing circuit, and I'm going to turn the machine around so you can see exactly how this switch takes place. So this is the large animal side. As you can see, there is a black hose right here, the orange connector. This swings to the other side, plugs into the orange connector over there. This is the large animal lower box connection. It's a blue connector. That switches over to this side. And that's the entire switch over as far as the hoses go. And the only thing left to do after that is to install the breathing circuit for the small animal side. And this, of course, hooks up to your animal. And that's it.